Want to know how to check out your video analytics using TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see how your video is performing just by clicking on a video and how you can just simply see it and analyze it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy website or the application and then just simply select launch extension right here. And now once you have selected launch extension, as you can see right here, you should be under the channel dashboard. And now once you're under the channel dashboard, you can just simply hit towards content and open up any video through YouTube. So I'm just going to open this random video right here, and once you open it up, it should look something like this. So now on the right side, as you can see right here, your analytics should be given. So you can simply compare with any other video. So you can just simply type in a specific video as well, and you can just simply see your total views, your comments, likes, and your SEO. So for me right now, it's 0 out of 20, which is not good. So you can also see your SEO score, which might give you a chance to improve it accordingly. So you can also see your channel, the subscribers and videos just like this right here, and tags and more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.